Hey everyone, this is Lucy, and in this video I will show you how to activate followers option on your Facebook. First of all, you need to go to your Facebook app and then you need to click on this hamburger option at the top right below the messaging icon. Then you need to go to settings and privacy, then click on settings. So scroll and go to audience and visibility. Here you need to go to how people can find and contact you. Here you need to limit this to friends of friends and save. So after that you need to go to followers and public content, and now you need to make everything public here. Who can follow me? Public save. Who can see your followers? Public save. Who can see the people pages list you follow? Who can comment on your public post notifications? Public profile info. And now go back to your profile, and now you can click on view as to view how your profile looks from other perspective. And that's how you activate followers option on your Facebook. Thank you guys for watching. For more tutorials, do like and subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.